for any of you with spreadsheets or workbooks where you have a lot of different sheets, you maybe have from time to time wanted to maybe hide a lot of them. And in this specific situation, let's say you want to hide everything but the consolidated worksheet here. So basically all of these go into what we have here. Okay, so what we want to do is have a quick way of being able to click onto the sheet that we want to keep, unhidden, and be able to run a macro that will then basically hide everything but that sheet. And of course we'll have a macro that will unhide everything, and as a little bonus we have another macro that will actually sort your sheets by their tab names. All right, so the code that we're going to be using is over here, hiding your sheets, unhiding, and then of course sorting. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that and select them, right click it, we'll hit copy, and then we'll go back into our developer tab, go to our Visual Basic, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to come up with another module. This one's getting a little full. Not that it's not going to matter how much you have in here, but let's just say we want to go ahead and come up with another module to put this set of macros into, just for the fact that we want to kind of keep it a little bit more organized. So we'll go ahead and we'll just do a right click on any one of the module that we have already, and then go ahead and click on to insert, and then click on the module, and now there we've got module 5, and then we can just do a right click on it, click on the paste, there it is, and then we'll go ahead and very quickly get rid of the names here, get rid of this guy here, and the last one. Okay, so there's the 3. Now we'll close this up, and we'll go back over, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and put those 3 macros. I think we'll put them in the adios group there. Okay, so we do that, we go ahead to File, we go down here to Options, we go to our Customize ribbon, we'll get the adios area open so we can see it. And then we'll change this over to listing just our macros. So we'll find our first one we want to put in, which is going to be the hide all worksheets. So we'll take that guy there and drag it over underneath our existing ones that we have in adios. And then we'll find the unhide. A little further down here, there's unhide. So we'll take that one and drag it there. And then our third one is going to be this one here, which is the sorting of the worksheet tabs. Drag that one into there. And then I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Alright, so we're going to change the name and the picture on all 3 of these. So I'll do the first one, rename, find a picture, and then go ahead and backspace that out, hit OK. Go to the next one here, we'll rename, find a picture, and backspace that out. Okay, then our third and last on this one, we'll do that guy there for a picture. And backspace that. That looks good. So there's our 3 in there. We'll hit OK. And now there they are, right there in the adios group. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to hide everything but the one that we're on here. So you just click onto that. Click on to hide all workbooks, and there it is. Now what's kind of interesting about this one is that we get this little input box that pops up. Now, if you change your mind all of a sudden, you say, oh, I'd rather hide, November, or I mean, keep November unhidden and then hide everything else, then what you do is you go in here and you retype that in. If you do that, it's case sensitive, so you're going to have to type in this case, N-O-V, kind of like that, right? And then you'd hit OK, and everything is hidden but November. Then I want to bring them all back. I go and hit my Unhide, and there's the Unhide. I'll try it again. I'll do it with this one here. Click on that. There's hidden. Oh, I've got to go and hit OK on that. There, everything is hidden. And then I'll unhide just like that. Pretty cool. Then our final one that we had, which was going to be sorting the tabs by their names, it does it alphabetically. So it's going to mess these guys up really. But I mean, just so you can see how it works, we just go ahead and click on the sort worksheet tabs. And there we go. And you can see how it kind of really did a number on it there. All right, but anyway, still, that's the way it works. So hopefully all of you enjoyed this video. I hope you can get a little bit out of it. Maybe you can use some of these macros. Appreciate you watching. Take care.